All right, today we're gonna change out a fuel water separator, and we're gonna end up doing some fuel filters as well. All right, let's knock this out. All right, so we're gonna dump the fuel out of here. Got a little nozzle at the bottom to dump it. There we go. Dump all of it out. Alright. Gonna need you a key. And pop this back. Hopefully I dumped enough fuel. Oh yeah. Alright, you're gonna pop this down. This we're gonna change out here in a little bit, but got a gasket that goes around here. Some gloves. All right, pop the glasses off too. All right. And there's the filter or fuel water separator. This time change that bad boy. I'm gonna let a little bit more out of here. That's fine. Alright, some clean hands. We got the new one. Make sure you keep these gaskets. Change them out here in a second, I'll show you how. But you got two. Leave that on the side. Now take your new filter and then slide that bad boy on. All the way to the bottom. Alright. Now I need some paper towel. Alright, grab you some paper towel where you had the old one, wipe it down. Now, slide this at the bottom. This goes around the top, around that ring. Carefully slide this up, because this gasket can slip off. Slide that back on. Just slowly slide her on. Get your little key and tighten her down. Remember, you also got a smaller gasket, and that goes up top here. You don't got to change it out. Normally, I do. I mean, they give it to you for a reason. Make sure you're tight. All right. Now take this one. You got a little gasket on there. Take you some paper towel. Wipe her down. Take your new gasket, put her on, and there you go. That's your fuel water separator done. All right, on to the next one. Old gaskets, chuck them Don't need that no more. All right, now we're gonna do these, which is that one and that one. I've seen a lot of videos online of people doing both at the same time, so I'll show you how. Let me see if I can set this up somewhere. I wonder where. All right, now that we're set up, so you got the main filter here, and then you got a little one here in the back. I'll show you step by step once I pop these out. But you're gonna need a 36-inch. What I like to do this one first. If I can get her off. They're tight on there. Have fun taking them off. Let me get this one going too while I'm here. There we go. All right. They're fun to get off. Good. All right. Get some gloves. All right. Pop this out. Oh yeah, it was time to change her out. All right. Let her drain. Now you pop out, you disconnect these two. Just like that. Also, you have a gasket here. Make sure you remember the placement. There, you'll see a groove right there. This is where the gasket goes. But pop that off. There you go, pop that sucker off. Again, get you some paper towel, make sure you got clean hands. Since you are putting on a new filter. Again, clean around where the gasket goes. Just like that. All right. Now get you your new filter. Here's your new filter. All right, with these, I didn't know before, but you got a little nipple here. So you slide it on and you should feel it click in. As a grab point somewhere. Let's see. There it is. And you're clicked in. All right, now we take the grommet or gasket. Pop that on. They give you grease. We're gonna grease this up so it's easier to go down. All right. This is what they give you. Take your finger, slide it, and then this will snap on. All right. So now tighten her down. Get her hand tight. That's good. All right, next one. The little filter. I'll show you where it's at. Right there. Same concept. Pop her out, let her drain. Get some gloves on, I recommend. Grab your gloves and basically disconnect. These could be a little bit hard, but you gotta finesse it. There you go. And it separates out. Also, remember, you also have a gasket here. Same thing. I don't know if it has a marking to... Oh, you kind of see it where. But take this gasket off, you get an extra. And clean up after you get the sucker off. There you go. Gasket's off. Clean up around this. There you go. Get your new gasket, you'll see it. Grab your gasket. Same spot where it was at. Pre-grease it, same thing. The grease that you get with it. Set that aside. Grab your new one. And this will click into here. You'll hear an audible snap like that. There you go. You're in. Now slide her back down and you are done. I'm gonna have to do some priming. I'll show you a little trick to that. What I learned after doing this so many times. It still gives me trouble, but it'll make it a little bit easier. So, all right, so here's your prime. What I like to do first, I'm gonna turn this around. Pause it. What I like to do first, come in, pre-prime it. Try to fire it up, it won't fire up. Or it might, we'll see. All right, we want to do that. Now we come over here, and now we do some priming. Take this, and prime. It's going to be very loose. It should firm up once we got prime. It'll take it a while. Firming up a little bit. Try to fire her up one more time. Get some prime going. Tipped over on her. All right, back open. Hopefully we got some pressure. Nope. There we go. Main thing is getting her started and just let her run. There we go. A little more. I think we might be okay. We're gonna try to fire her up. Let's see what happens. Not yet. A little bit more. All right, we got her going. A little bit of priming.